Home security is a top priority for homeowners, especially in a vibrant and active community like Kendall. While alarm systems and cameras are important, one of the most effective ways to protect your home starts with something more fundamental: your doors. Impact doors, designed for strength and durability, offer a powerful upgrade that enhances both security and peace of mind. Impact doors are specifically engineered to withstand strong forces, including high winds and flying debris. While they are often associated with storm protection, their construction also makes them highly effective at improving home security. Built with reinforced materials and impact-resistant glass, these doors are designed to resist forced entry far better than standard doors. One of the key features that make impact doors so secure is their multi-layered construction. The glass used in these doors is typically laminated, meaning it consists of multiple layers bonded together. If struck, the glass may crack, but it does not shatter into pieces. Instead, it remains intact, making it extremely difficult for intruders to break through. This added strength creates a strong barrier that helps deter break-ins. The frame of an impact door is just as important as the glass. These doors are built with heavy-duty materials such as reinforced aluminum, fiberglass, or steel. The frames are designed to stay firmly in place even under pressure, preventing the door from being easily forced open. In Kendall, where homeowners value both safety and durability, this level of construction provides an extra layer of protection. Locking systems also play a major role in security, and impact doors are often equipped with advanced options. Multi-point locking systems secure the door at several points along the frame, rather than relying on a single latch. This makes it much harder for anyone to pry the door open, even with significant force. Combined with the strength of the door itself, these locking mechanisms create a highly secure entryway. Another advantage of impact doors is their ability to act as a visual deterrent. A strong, well-built door sends a clear message that your home is protected. Potential intruders are more likely to avoid homes that appear secure, making impact doors an effective preventative measure as well as a physical barrier. In addition to security, impact doors also improve overall comfort and functionality. Their tight seals and insulated construction help prevent air leaks, contributing to better energy efficiency. For Kendall homeowners, this means a cooler, more comfortable home during hot weather while also reducing energy costs. Noise reduction is another benefit that many homeowners appreciate. The same materials that make impact doors strong also help block outside noise. This creates a quieter indoor environment, allowing you to enjoy your home without constant interruptions from traffic or neighborhood activity. Durability is especially important in a coastal or humid climate. Impact doors are designed to resist moisture, corrosion, and wear, ensuring they maintain their strength and appearance over time. This long-lasting performance means you won't have to worry about frequent repairs or replacements, making them a smart long-term investment. Style is not sacrificed for security. Impact doors are available in a wide range of designs, finishes, and configurations, allowing you to choose an option that complements your home's aesthetic. Whether you prefer a modern look or something more traditional, you can find a design that enhances your home's curb appeal while still providing top-level protection. Professional installation is essential to getting the full benefits of impact doors. A properly installed door ensures a secure fit, eliminating gaps or weak points that could compromise security. Experienced installers also make sure that all locking mechanisms and components function correctly, giving you confidence in your home's protection. Ultimately, impact doors offer a comprehensive solution for homeowners in Kendall who want to improve security without sacrificing comfort or style. They provide strength, durability, and advanced protection features that go far beyond what traditional doors can offer. If you're looking for a way to enhance your home's safety while also adding value and efficiency, impact doors are a smart and reliable choice. With the right design and installation, you can enjoy greater peace of mind knowing your home is well protected every day.